Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use sliding ratchet straps. First, ensure your strap is in good condition, free from cuts or fraying. These versatile straps are essential for safely securing various loads, from small items to heavy equipment. They provide a robust and adjustable hold, giving you peace of mind during transit. Understanding their components is key to maximizing their effectiveness and ensuring your cargo remains stable. Before you begin, place the strap over or around your load, making sure it is centered and flat. Anchor the fixed end of the strap to a sturdy point on your vehicle or trailer. The sliding ratchet mechanism should be positioned where you can easily reach it to apply tension. Remember to use corner protectors if your cargo has sharp edges. This prevents strap damage and ensures a longer lifespan for your equipment. Now, feed the loose end of the strap through the arbor of the sliding ratchet. Pull the strap by hand until most of the slack is removed, making it snug against your cargo. Then, begin pumping the ratchet handle up and down. Each pump will tighten the strap, gradually securing your load. Continue until the strap is very taut and your cargo feels completely stable, but do not over-tighten. When you are ready to unload, locate the release lever on the ratchet. Pull this lever fully to disengage the internal gears. This action allows the ratchet to open flat, releasing all tension from the strap. Carefully remove the strap from your cargo. Finally, coil the strap neatly and store it in a dry place. Proper storage extends the life of your straps and keeps them ready for your next securement task.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.